Living in Fleming Island means enjoying the beauty of Florida's coastal lifestyle, but it also means preparing for the challenges of storm season. From heavy rain and strong winds to flying debris, severe weather can put your home at risk. One of the most vulnerable areas during storms is your windows. Old or poorly sealed windows can easily break or leak, leading to costly damage. That's why many homeowners are turning to window replacement as a smart investment in safety, durability, and peace of mind. Here's how new windows can help Fleming Island homes withstand Florida's stormy weather. Stronger materials for lasting protection. Modern replacement windows are built with durability in mind, using advanced materials that outperform older models. Impact-resistant glass. Special laminated glass helps prevent shattering when struck by debris during high winds. Reinforced frames. Materials like vinyl, aluminum, and fiberglass resist warping, cracking, and water damage even under pressure. Moisture resistance. Unlike traditional wood frames, modern options don't swell or rot in Florida's humid environment. This added strength provides a vital line of defense when storms strike. Improved sealing against water intrusion. Water leaks are one of the most common problems during storms. Old or poorly installed windows can allow rain to seep inside, damaging walls, floors, and even your home's foundation. Advanced sealing technology in new windows prevents water infiltration. Tight, professional installation ensures that your windows are fitted properly with no gaps. Moisture barriers and drainage systems direct water away from your home, reducing the risk of mold or structural issues. For Fleming Island homeowners, this means peace of mind knowing their windows are ready for heavy rains. Protection against high winds. Hurricane-force winds can easily exploit weaknesses in old windows. A broken window doesn't just cause interior damage, it can also increase pressure inside the house, putting the roof and walls at risk. Impact-rated replacement windows are specifically tested to withstand high wind speeds and pressure changes. Secure locking mechanisms keep the frames tightly sealed, reducing the chance of failure. Upgrading ensures your windows remain intact when it matters most. Energy efficiency that works year-round. While storm protection is the priority, window replacement also delivers everyday benefits. Insulated glass and low-E coatings help regulate indoor temperatures. Reduced energy costs come from windows that prevent cool air from escaping during hot Florida summers. Comfortable living spaces are created by minimizing drafts and hot spots. This combination of storm strength and energy efficiency makes replacement windows a practical upgrade. Enhanced safety and security. Strong windows don't just protect against storms, they also add a layer of security for your family. Impact glass resists forced entry, making it harder for intruders to break in. Advanced locks and reinforced frames increase protection for your home. When storms roll through Fleming Island, you can feel confident knowing your windows are built for both safety and security. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Investing in replacement windows is not just about protection, it also improves your home's appearance and value. Modern designs come in a variety of styles and finishes that complement Fleming Island's coastal architecture. Buyers also see storm-ready features as a major advantage, making your home more attractive on the market. Final thoughts for Fleming Island homeowners: preparing for Florida's storm season is a necessity. Old windows can leave your home vulnerable to damage from rain, wind, and debris. Window replacement provides stronger materials, improved sealing, energy efficiency, and added safety, all while enhancing your home's beauty and value. If your windows are showing signs of age or wear, now is the perfect time to upgrade. With professional installation and modern technology, you'll have the confidence that your home can withstand whatever Florida's storms bring, keeping your family safe and your property secure.